Good morning, students. Welcome back. I am your social science teacher. In today's session, we are going to learn about Lesson 2 Agriculture. Come, children, let us learn. In the last class, we learned what is agriculture and farmers in India. Today, we are going to learn about types of farming. Dear children, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. India is an agricultural country. One third of our national income comes from agriculture. Agricultural development contributes to the economy of our country. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. Dear children, today we are going to learn about types of farming. There are several types of farming. They are: the first one is subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. First one is subsistence farming. Children, subsistence farming is also described as family farming because it needs the needs of farmer's family. It produces small output. Mostly, the subsistence farming is the manually. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. Such type of farming is adopted by small and marginal farmers on fragmented land holdings. The cultivated crops are usually food crops. Commercial farming. The crops are growing for sale in the market. It was business purpose. It requires large area and is done with the help of high cost tools. Unlike subsistence farming, here the crops are cultivated for commercial use and is sold in the markets. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. For example, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, cashew, bananas, or cotton grown large amount of labors and capital. Capital means money required for this plantation farming. For example, rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka. Now, coming to mixed farming. It is a type of farming which involves both growing of crops and raising of livestock. It reduces dependence of fertilizers because crop and animal components which supports each other. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Let us know, children, the government has set up agencies like the Food Corporation of India to purchase the farm products directly from the farmers at reasonable rates. Dear children, do you know Ulavar Sandai? Yes, in order to eliminate the middleman between farmers and consumers, the government of Tamil Nadu introduced the new concept, namely Ulavar Sandai. Next heading is water resources for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. Perennial means water in throughout the year. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production. Types of irrigation. First one, well irrigation. Well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Bihar. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Next heading, important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. Paddy. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. The principal food crops are rice, maize, black gram, and sugarcane, ragi, and pulses. The cash crops include cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, ginger, and chilies. Mango and banana are the leading food crops of Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is an important agricultural center located in the Kaveri Delta. It is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. And Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu. It is known as the Manchester of South India. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A small recap of what we have learned in this class. Types of farming. They are subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. And types of irrigation. They are well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall, and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal, and aromatic plants. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is an important agriculture center located in the Kaveri Delta. It is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.